So making money online, it's getting harder and harder, but there's a solution. And this solution is kind of a long-term solution because the old way of making money by spamming the internet with your affiliate link, it's a big hustle. So come with me. I'm going to show you a new way to make money online. Let's go. So this is what I would be doing. The strategy I'm going to be using, it's called keyword gap analysis. So basically is that I look for keywords that are underutilized by the competition, and I would try to fill the blank, and I would make my YouTube channel. And in this example, we're going to use YouTube as a traffic source, but you can do that too with your blog in SEO. But for this, we're going to use YouTube. So I would watch one of my competitors that is talking about making money online. So I would go on YouTube and say, make money online. So I would click on the first one, and then I'm going to see who's ranking for what, because I need to analyze my competition. So here, there's this guy, how to actually make money online, no BS. So this is a good angle because he added no BS. So after that, I would try to find, so once you're finished watching his video, if you scroll down, you have tools like keywords everywhere. You can see, I'm not sure if I'm showing it. I think you could see on the right, there's a bunch of keywords. So I would try to see if I can maybe do a video similar to his, but with some keywords included on the right. You can also use tools like Buddy, VidaQ, and Shadowrock. So that would be step number 2. And then once I had the description and the title, then I would come to Canva, because first you want to create the thumbnail. That's the first thing you want to create. You don't want to do the video right away. You want to do the competition, analyze, see what he's talking about, title, SEO, description. But first, you want to create the thumbnail. So I would come to Canva to create a thumbnail. So here I would take my time to come up with the design. I don't know. I'm just making something out of the fly here. How to make money online. Something like that. Then I would put this, what color I can put this thing like gold or something. I want a gold color. Do I have gold color? Yes. There you go. See? How to make money online. Then I will replace this. I don't know, some emoji, something like that. Obviously, take your time. Right now, I'm just building out a way. That's I'm just doing something. I'm not even sure if it's good. I'm just trying to grab attention here. So people like to see how to make money. So this would be my stuff. So how to make money. You see, so it's going crazy. We're making a pile of money. And you can also add an emoji, a face of somebody who's making money, something like that. Well, anyways, so would take your time. So you would trying to see what kind of, there you go. See, there's money piling everywhere. How to make money online. Boom. See, so that would be my stuff. I don't know if I could take it, maybe put it not gold. I'll keep the same color. Something like that. So how to make money online. So that would be your YouTube thumbnail. So after that, once you have the thumbnail ready, then I would upload one of my videos on YouTube. I came up with a title based on the competition analysis, based on the keyword everywhere. So now I have my title. And after that, you can also ask ChatGPT to come up with a description for you if you want, based on your title. So now I would take one of my videos. I'm not sure if I have one. Let me see here. Let's discover anyways. I'm not sure if I have video. So anyways, you would upload your video based on the keywords that you have found. You would make the video around this keyword. So you upload your video. So me, it's how to make money online as a beginner with no money and fast. So that's my title. So you would create your video, and then I would put my title, and then in the description you can ask ChatGPT come up with a description. So I have my YouTube description already. You put it there. So it's recommended to have the main keyword in the beginning of the title and somewhere inside of your description. So this description is kind of good. It's a special kill, fancy. I love this description. Sometimes ChatGPT don't comes with something good, but this time it's good. And then after that, you could put some keywords in it, make money online, passive income, online business. Then you would come to the tags. Nope. And then you would put your tags here. You can ask ChatGPT, give me a list of tags. So obviously the first one is how to make money, blah blah blah. Then you have this. So you have like a bunch of keywords that you can put. So you would put them one by one. Okay. So income ideas. Then you have this one too. So you can put till 500. So you would find all of the best tags and you would put them there. Freelancing for beginners. Easy way to make money online. Money online. This one I'm gonna change it. So best side also in 2025. So there you go. So if your category is education, you have to put timestamp. But me, it's more how to and style, so I just change it to and style. So this is how I would make money online. I would come with YouTube because YouTube is the best organic traffic source in the planet, or on YouTube more than TV now. So that would be the way I would drive traffic to an affiliate offer. There's something you can do too, is that once you have created your description, damn, there's a lot of things. Correct. You can, which mention, what do you want? And your description, and inside of the description, you put this, and then you would say, check out my number one way to make money online. And then here you would put your affiliate link or whatever you're trying to promote, or whatever call to action you want to promote. This is how I would make money online fast and without money. It's by using YouTube, taking my time to find the keywords analysis gap, trying to find the best competitors so I can mimic him and put some keywords tag inside of the YouTube tag. And then obviously you do the thumbnail first, and then after that you do the video. So hey, I hope you like it. Share, subscribe, and follow me for more on digital marketing and how to make money online.